if you've watched any of my channels before, I've done this step numerous times, but so I am just going to put the spine to the front and back pages of the album, and we will do the spine protector and everything later. So I'm going to put right sides together, put tape, it's just tape down. It's a little bit longer, 1 or 2 inches above or past the length. I put these two together even, put it in the middle of the tape, and I lay it down one way, and I lay it down the other way. I do not fold the tails. What I do instead is open the tails, bring them to the inside of the book, like so. There's going to be a gap there. I'm just going to, this is all going to be covered so you don't have to have it perfectly straight, and cover the gap up. There we go. We're going to do it again. Put the wrong sides together this time. Make your tape 1 inch or 2 longer than the book. Get your fingers off it somehow. Always so sticky. Okay, now that didn't work. Want the sticky side up. Okay, sticky side up. Album together. The wrong side. Right side's on the outside. Put this in the middle. Lay down. It's not quite in the middle. I'm going to try again. Put this in the middle. Lay it down one way. Lay it down the other way. Open it up to the wrong side. Put your tape, or your tail of your tape, over the gap. Smooth it out. I guess I made that a little too long. Take a little bit to cover the gap. I found a better pair of scissors for the tape. These Tim Holtz actually have a little bit of a grip, so my tape isn't sticking as bad. Okay, so now I have the spine and pages ready for my book. The next video I'll make, I will make a cover for this. We don't put a lot of tape. I probably could even do the prep tape now. You just want a little bit of tape on either sides. Of your hinge, like so. And we're going to cut, this is 2 3/4, so we'll probably cut 4.5 inches or so of a rectangle that will go over the spine and will help, it'll go right in these grooves that we made. And we'll be putting a spine cover on it before we put the 5 signature hinges. So now there were a couple things I missed on the box. And one is, we covered up our circle, which we're not going to put our design on until later. Let's see. So we have to find our circle. It's right in the middle, and it is open on one side. So I'm just going to expose that circle. There we go. So now, after we put our color on here, this, I might just put this on for now so I don't lose it. I tend to lose things. I put these brads inside this hole. And then the brads open, and you can tape them down. So before you decorate the inside, but after you decorate the outside. There. So now we'll have a little bit of decoration here that we can hang things on. So it's kind of lovely. The other thing I did was I took my crocodile and I punched a hole in the cover, and I punched a hole in the side, and this will be covered. It's right now, it just has a little piece of black tape there. This also will be covered, and I'll make sure it doesn't show. I left a tail. I didn't know how long I wanted it, but I want to be able to tilt the box so it will stand up. So that's one other little step I forgot to show you. But that's it, our spine. After we take out our trinket box, our book will fit very nicely under the trinket box, and this will be coordinating. And then I'll go on top, and we'll have a lovely display. So if you want to make this album and box, check out mycreativespirit.com, and I will put a link under this video so you'll know which one to order. She has so many fun projects, but I think this is a nice, easy one, and it makes a great gift album. So have a great day. I'll see you later. God bless.